When the production line goes down, every minute counts. We know that factories lose 5 to 20% of their productivity due to downtime, and the average cost of a downtime incident is $17,000. The storeroom is the first place electricians go to look for replacement parts. If your storeroom is poorly organized, it can extend downtime and magnify the cost. If critical spares are out of stock and no one ordered more, misplaced, or the storeroom is holding on to obsolete parts, then electricians have to hunt for parts instead of fixing the problem. Downtime lasts longer, costing you productivity and revenue. Graybar has developed a modernized system to deliver a storeroom you can trust. Our electrical specialists have a deep understanding of how to support your operations and MRO needs. A Graybar specialist will review your critical spares and implement a modernized MRO and inventory management strategy utilizing our Graybar Smart Stock platform. We work with best-in-class manufacturers to deliver quality product for your applications, backed by our robust local inventory and logistics and 24/7 emergency service response. Let Graybar take your storeroom from chaos to order. You'll finally have the right products in the right quantities in the right place, saving time and money. Contact your local Graybar sales representative today and find out how we can provide a storeroom your teams can trust.